How to transfer money nationwide. Now it depends upon whether you're trying to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account or within your own account with different account types. Either way, you first want to open the nationwide mobile banking application, and you also want to make sure to sign into your nationwide account. After you make sure that you're signed into your nationwide bank account, basically all you have to do over here is you want to simply go ahead and then log into the app, and then tap on the menu icon on the top right corner, then select payments and transfers. After that, select pay or move money option, then choose the account to select the funds from, and then tap the account to receive the funds. After you've done that, you should be able to transfer money on nationwide. Also make sure to confirm the transaction. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then transfer money on nationwide. I hope this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.